Sometimes you need to hang something on the wall and you don't want the head of the screw to show on the other side. So if you have a 3D printer, you can make such a recessed hole. First we make a block, then we put a sketch on the block, and this is slightly bigger than the screw head. This is slightly bigger than the inner thin part of the screw. We connect it and then we pocket it. The depth of the pocket should be more than the depth you actually need, because our next pocket is going to take off of the depth here. Okay, next you select this face and add the sketch there. So this purple is our previous sketch and the green one is our new sketch. With the external geometry you select the previous edges and then you make a same size of circle as here and you connect it like that, and then you make a second pocket, and this pocket should be reversed, and then you can add the fillets.